Welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Today we're going to do something that's fast, simple, but I think is very, very tasty and you're going to enjoy it. We're going to be doing key lime pie. Let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need softened cream cheese, condensed milk. Condensed milk is just a sweeter version of milk, and it's mostly or primarily used so you don't have to add sugar to it. Heavy whipping cream, and of course you're going to need the lime juice. That's what's going to bond these ingredients together. You're going to need lime juice. Now, I have here a ready-made pie shell. If you don't want to use a ready-made pie shell, the only thing you have to do is take some graham crackers and crush them up. If it's a 10-inch pan, you would need 2 cups of graham crackers. Crush them up, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to that, and add some melted butter. And just go ahead and press it in the pan. Put it in the refrigerator until you get everything else ready. By that time, it would have bonded. And go ahead and pour your pie up, whichever type of pie that you're going to be making. Now, what changes this pie from key lime pie to lemon pie is just a switch of one ingredient. That's going to be take out the lime juice, put in the lemon juice, and now you got lemon pie. Real simple. The ingredient stays the same. Nothing has to change, but you're just changing that one ingredient. Now, if you're going to do this for the holiday season, or you're going to do this to have something extra on your table when you're doing a buffet dinner or something, this is the way to go. Because you change one ingredient, you can change the whole taste of the pie, which would give your guests 2 choices in making their selection. So I'm going to go away, get everything together, and I'll be right back. Now, we're back, so let's get started with this. This is 1 pint, and 1 pint is actually 2 cups. So I already know, how much is in here, so I don't have to take this and measure it out because I know that it's 2 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in all of the whipping cream. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and blend up this heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put it on high. This is going to take me roughly about a minute and a half. So I'm going to go away, and once I get this all blended up where it reaches a peak, I'll bring you right back. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to take another bowl. I'm going to put in my cream cheese. And your cream cheese has to be softened. Mine is not completely softened, but I'm going to try to whip it the rest of the way. And you're going to add to that your condensed milk. Okay. Move all of the ingredients that I've already used out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to whip this. And you would, like I said, you would use it when it's softened, but I can beat it and get it just as soft. Now, once I whip this, then you want to add to it your condensed milk. Now, I like to get everything out of my container, so I stopped. You can pour yours in. I didn't want to pour mine in because I wanted to go in there and get everything out with the spatula. You're only going to use 1 container of condensed milk, and I've only seen it in this size. I'll give you the actual size of it in a moment. Okay, this is 14 ounces. So you're going to use a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. And you're going to blend this in. And I'm going to get a measuring cup, my small measuring cup, so I can measure out my lime juice. Now this is real simple to make. Real simple, real easy. We're going to refrigerate this for 2 hours. And once we refrigerate it for 2 hours, it's going to be ready to cut and serve. Now, how quick and easy was that? Very simple to make. And like I told you, if you should want to change the flavor from lime to lemon, then the only thing that you would need to do is to just change the juice. So you would go from lime juice to lemon juice. And you would use the same amount of lemon juice as I am going to use lime juice. Now for this, I'm going to use a half of a cup of lemon juice. Now if you don't want it quite that tart, you can use 1/4 of a cup. But a half of a cup should be fine. I'm going to cut my mixer off again, and I'm going to go ahead and pour in my half a cup of lime juice. Now, once you get your lime juice added to this, it's going to like set real quick. Okay? Okay, now I got a half of a cup of that, and I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to add back my whipping cream. Hand me the whipping cream. It's simple, but it's good. I think you are really going to enjoy it. My whipping cream. Alright, now all of that has been added. Now you can make a tart out of this. You can make a parfait. Anything that you like, you can dress it up. Alright. Now that I've added that, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to remove my beaters. And I'm going to fold in my whipping cream. And fold is simply down the center and up the side. That's how you fold. Okay. Go around the edges to make certain that nothing has really stuck to the edges or the sides. And this looks really, really good. And it'll set in no time. Now I saved a bit of my whipping cream so that I can garnish the top with it. So I'll probably just put it in a piping bag. Just garnish the top of my pie. Now, once you get all of your ingredients well blended, which is exactly what you see that I've done, see? Then you're going to pour it into your pie shell. Now, what I want to tell you about this pie shell is about the top that a lot of people don't know. This is the way, when you get your pre-made pie shells, this is the way it comes when you get it, okay? You can also take this and use it as your hood, okay, on your pie, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So just want to show you that in case you didn't know. So we'll take and we'll pour this up into our pie shell. This looks very good. Now how fast and easy was that? And all you have to do to change it is to just change your juice. Okay. Now we have that all done. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. At the end of 2 hours, I'm going to bring it back and show you what this looks like. Now you can make this the day before if you're going to have an affair or you're having people over for dinner. You can do this the day before and just refrigerate it. By that time, you'll make certain that it has set. This is very, very good. I think that if you try it, you are truly going to enjoy it. Okay, there you have it. See you back in 2 hours. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back and the pie is ready. Now, really, to be truthful, this is the next day because I didn't do it last night. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put some, and if you have a piping bag, you can go ahead and do the same thing that I'm doing. If I stand up, I probably could get that on there a little bit better. Okay, now I'll go ahead. As you can see, it's already been sliced into. Went away to the phone and come back. Somebody has already sliced into it. So we'll go ahead and we'll take out this slice. So you will just be able to see exactly what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to take out this little bit anyway. I'm just going to put it down there on the plate. Somebody can get that. But that's what it actually looks like. Okay, that is your key lime pie, and it tastes very good. I mean, very good. Now, you can also, like I said, if you change the lime juice to lemon juice, then you'll have a lemon pie. Okay, so I just want to show you what it actually looks like, and I'm too busy trying to chew just a little bit and eat just a little bit, but it's really, really good. I think that if you tried it, you are truly going to enjoy this one. Okay, that is your key lime pie. Okay, that's what Chris has for you today. I want to say to all of my winners, I didn't say it on the last video, congratulations. Everybody should have their prize by now. And I do want you to put it in the description box if you haven't already on that particular video that you did receive your prize. Look out, we're headed toward 200,000 subscribers. And that's an awesome time because we're going to be doing another giveaway as soon as we reach that goal. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Don't forget to check out Chris's VIPs. If you love $5 jewelry, you will love this. Bye.